Hello everyone. If you have gone through the previous video, you might be definitely knowing that we have started with chemical reactions and equations. This is the first chapter of science of class 10th और इसमें से हमने जो है अभी तक 3 वीडियोस देख लिए हैं. First video was introductory wherein I told you what is the content of the chapter. The entire flow chart I have discussed, which was this, right? So the content is already discussed. Then I told you the characteristics, the definition and characteristics of a chemical reactions in second video. Third video was all about balancing of a chemical reaction. So these three first points will make the intro and we have discussed already. Then in detail I taught you what is balancing of a chemical reaction. Now here we start with the major part of the chapter, and that is the types of chemical reactions. So I told in the introduction that there are 5 major types of the chemical reactions: combination, decomposition, displacement, double displacement. So these were the major 5 types of the reactions, and out of these today we will discuss what are combination reactions in detail. So let us see. According to the definition, combination reactions are those reactions in which two or more substances they combine. This is the important thing to be noted. Two or more substances they combine and they form a single substance. This is called as combination reaction. So in combination reactions what happens? Two things or more than two things also possible will combine and you will get a single product. तो जब भी आपको किसी रिएक्शन में लेफ्ट हैंड पे ज्यादा चीजें लिखी दिखें और राइट हैंड पे सिर्फ एक चीज लिखी दिखे जो एक ही प्रोडक्ट होगा रिएक्शन का, तो आप उसे कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शन बोल सकते हैं, क्योंकि ये प्रॉपर्टी है कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शंस में हमेशा सिर्फ एक प्रोडक्ट बनता है, राइट, एंड दैट इज मेड बाय द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ टू और मोर देन टू रिएक्टेंट्स. अब इनके एग्जांपल्स देखते हैं. जो सबसे पहला एग्जांपल है कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शन में, दैट इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट, एंड इन दिस यू विल टॉक you'll be performing a experiment also in the lab, that is burning of magnesium ribbon. So when magnesium ribbon is burnt, it combines with oxygen and it will give you magnesium oxide. So burning of magnesium ribbon in oxygen, where this is in solid state, this is in gaseous state, and oxygen combines with magnesium and you will be getting 2 MgO. The product of this reaction is 2 MgO, magnesium oxide. So what you can see on the reactant side, two or more than two things are written, although here more are not there, but two things are there. Different two things combined and they gave you one product. So whenever you get single product, that is an example of combination reaction. Similarly, if I write one more reaction, 2H2 plus O2, and here you will get 2 molecules of water. This reaction also, if you'll see on the LHS there are more things, and on RHS only one single entity is formed. So both these reactions are the exclusive example of combination reactions, where what happens, two things were there, A, B, दो अलग अलग चीजें जो जुड़कर सिंगल चीज बना देती हैं, तो दोनों reactions में वही हुआ है. So they are the example of combination reaction. In examples of combination reactions, few reactions are very important. Like when calcium oxide, CaO, is added with water, you get CaOH whole twice. This reaction is very, very important in this section, because in this reaction what is happening, CaO, that is calcium oxide, also called as lime or quicklime, it reacts vigorously, means very fast, with water, and it forms CaOH whole twice, that is called as calcium hydroxide or slaked lime. So this is calcium oxide or lime or quicklime. So when this is added with water, you get calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide, and this is also called as what? Slaked lime. Slaked lime. So you can be asked a question, what happens when water is added to lime or quicklime? This is also called as quicklime, Quick, quicklime. So what happens when water is added to quicklime or lime or calcium oxide? If anything is asked, answer is this reaction. You will say slaked lime will be produced, and this is combination reaction and this reaction is exothermic in nature. This is something very important. This reaction is exothermic in nature. तो जिस भी बीकर में या जिस भी यूटेंसिल में ये रिएक्शन हो रहा होगा वो गर्म हो जाता है. जब आप लाइम में पानी मिलाओगे, लाइम मीन्स व्हाट, चूना, सिंपल, जो पुराने जमाने में व्हाइट वॉशिंग के लिए यूज होता था. अब तो वी हैव डिस्टेम्पर्स एंड ऑयल बेस्ड पेंट्स. पहले के जमाने में चूना यूज होता था वॉल्स को पेंट करने के लिए. तो ये प्रोसेस आप खुद भी करके देख सकते हो कि पान की दुकान से आप थोड़ा सा चूना लेके आए, उसको पानी में मिक्स करें. सो यू कैन ऑब्जर्व दिस प्रोसेस कि स्लेट लाइम बनेगा और जो भी बीकर है वो हॉट हो जाएगा. वो हॉट इसलिए हो जाएगा क्योंकि एक एक्सोथर्मिक रिएक्शन है. इट्स अ कॉम्बिनेशन कम एक्सोथर्मिक रिएक्शन, यानी इस रिएक्शन में हीट जनरेट होती है जब ये दोनों रिएक्ट करते हैं, और उस हीट के कारण से जिस भी यूटेंसिल में ये रिएक्शन हो रही है वो गर्म हो जाता है. ठीक है. और आपको जब ये रिएक्शन होगी तो आपको एक हिजिंग साउंड सुनाई देगा. एक हिजिंग साउंड आता है, एंड दैट ड्यू टू दैट हिजिंग साउंड दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड एज स्लेकिंग ऑफ लाइम. क्योंकि यहाँ स्लेक्ड लाइम बना है इसलिए भी, और इसे कहते हैं स्लैकिंग ऑफ लाइम. सो एनीबडी कैन आस्क यू व्हाट हैपेंस व्हेन वाटर इज एडेड टू कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड. आंसर इज इट्स अ कॉम्बिनेशन कम एक्सोथर्मिक रिएक्शन एंड स्लेक्ड लाइम विल बी प्रोड्यूस्ड. Now see, as I told you that CaOH whole twice, which was formed in the previous reaction, this was the previous phase reaction, CaOH whole twice. This CaOH whole twice is the product of this reaction which is formed by combination. So ये जो product है, this is used for white washing. तो ये example हो गया था आपका combination reaction का. This was combination reaction. Now here something important questions are there, some important questions are there, that is why I am discussing it further. अब ये जो चीज थी, जैसे आप कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड बोलते थे, इसे ही व्हाइट वॉशिंग के लिए यूज करते थे. अब इसको जब अपन वॉल्स पे लगाते थे तो क्या होता था कि आफ्टर फ्यू डेज दिस CaOH when it is applied with on the walls, it reacts with the environmental carbon dioxide and the walls started looking very shiny. 2-3 दिन बाद व्हाइट वॉशिंग के दीवारें बहुत शाइनी या चमकदार दिखने लगती थी. क्यों दिखने लगती थी, ये भी क्वेश्चन आता है. सो कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड से आपने पेंट किया था. कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड पेंट करने के बाद नेचर में जो CO2 है उससे रिएक्ट कर लेता है और वो बना लेता है कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट विच लुक्स शाइनी. सो कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट इज फॉर्म्ड. So this is the entire process. Okay. So since this process gives a very white shiny appearance to the walls of house, that is why it is called as white washing. So I hope this much is clear. Actually the calcium carbonate which is formed after 2 or 3 days of white washing, it is only giving the shiny looks to the walls. So this was the example of combination reaction. So till now I gave you this was the example of combination reaction. I'll give you one more important example of the combination reaction because till now the reactions which we discussed were very small. Now see, this is NH3, ammonia. It is called as ammonia. When ammonia combines with HCl, what I'm saying combines because this is combination reaction. So when ammonia combines with HCl, you get NH4Cl, ammonium chloride. So this is again an example of combination reaction. So how will you identify that a reaction is a combination reaction? Whenever in any reaction you are having two things and they combine to form only one thing, then that reaction is a combination reaction. Or I can say in a few lines if I have to say, then if only one product is formed, सिर्फ product side में एक चीज लिखी है तो आप उसे बिल्कुल आराम से बिना किसी हेजिटेशन के कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शन बोल सकते हैं. सो आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड व्हाट आर कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शंस एंड विद एग्जांपल्स, एंड आई हैव गिव यू वन important question also. So I hope this much is clear. In NCERT there is a question on whitewashing, so you can do that question after going through this video. So I hope this much was clear. Thank you for watching. Have a great time ahead.